In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you wanna block notifications from any app, here's how to do it using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and clicking on notifications and status bar right away. Now select manage all. And before doing anything, find apps from which you want to block notifications or turn them back on. You can do that by clicking on this section and selecting one of those options to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or all of your apps in alphabetical order. You can also use those letters on the side, or click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Either way, after finding your apps, use blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block notifications to switch them off. When all of your switchers turned gray, that means that notifications are disabled. To enable them, click on gray switchers until you see all of them turned blue. Quick tip, most people forget that you can go back, scroll down and click on most recent here to sort your apps. Then to manage notifications from any of them, click on it and not only disable or enable allow notifications option thanks to this switcher, but also adjust all of those options, like for example notification tone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!